Welcome to YouTube channel Cognara. I'm Michael, your science and technology educator. Today, we are going to explore one of the most fundamental forces in the universe, a force so quiet and constant that we rarely notice it, yet so powerful that it shapes galaxies, planets, oceans, and even the way time itself flows. This is the story of universal gravitation. Gravity is not something you can see, touch, or hear, yet it is always present. It is the reason your feet stay on the ground, the moon stays in orbit, and stars gather into vast cosmic systems instead of drifting endlessly apart. For most of human history, gravity was understood only through experience. Objects fall. Stones drop faster than feathers. Heavy things feel stronger. But no one truly knew why this happened. The breakthrough came when scientists realized something deeply counterintuitive. Gravity is not just a force pulling things downward. It is a force acting between all objects with mass, everywhere in the universe. Every particle of matter attracts every other particle. This attraction is incredibly weak at small scales, which is why you do not feel the pull between everyday objects. But when mass becomes large, like planets or stars, gravity becomes dominant. This idea is known as universal gravitation. It means that the same force causing an apple to fall from a tree also governs the motion of the moon around Earth and the movement of planets around the Sun. There is no special gravity for Earth and another for space. There is only one gravity, acting universally. What makes gravity unique is that it never turns off. Unlike electricity or magnetism, gravity cannot be shielded or blocked. It acts through empty space, across vast cosmic distances, without weakening completely. The strength of gravity depends on two things: the amount of mass involved, and the distance between objects. Larger masses create stronger gravitational attraction. Greater distances weaken it. This simple relationship explains an enormous range of phenomena. It explains why planets follow predictable paths. It explains why galaxies form clusters. It explains why tides rise and fall on Earth due to the gravitational pull of the moon. But gravity is not just about motion. It also shapes time itself. Modern physics revealed that gravity is not merely a pulling force. It is a result of mass bending space and time. Massive objects distort the fabric of spacetime, and other objects move along those curves. From this perspective, gravity is geometry, not force. This is why time runs slightly slower near massive objects. Clocks on satellites tick differently than clocks on Earth. Without correcting for gravitational effects, GPS systems would fail within hours. Gravity quietly controls technology, navigation, and modern life, even though we rarely think about it. Another surprising aspect of gravity is its weakness. Compared to other fundamental forces, gravity is extremely weak at the particle level. Yet it dominates the universe at large scales because it always attracts and never cancels out. Electric charges can repel or attract. Gravity only attracts. This one-sided behavior allows gravity to build structure over billions of years. Small irregularities grow into stars. Stars gather into galaxies. Galaxies form massive cosmic webs. Without gravity, the universe would be a smooth, empty fog of particles. Gravity also plays a role in the life cycle of stars. It compresses gas clouds until nuclear fusion ignites. It balances outward energy for billions of years. And eventually, it causes stars to collapse, creating neutron stars or black holes. In extreme cases, gravity becomes so strong that even light cannot escape. These regions mark the limits of our understanding of physics. Yet gravity remains deeply mysterious. We still do not fully understand how gravity fits with quantum physics. It behaves differently from other forces at small scales. Attempts to unify gravity with quantum mechanics remain one of the biggest challenges in modern science. This means that despite its familiarity, gravity is still one of the least understood aspects of reality. Every step you take, every orbit in space, every structure in the universe is shaped by this silent force. Universal gravitation is not just a law of physics. It is the reason the universe has shape, rhythm, and order instead of chaos. It connects the smallest grain of dust to the largest galaxy. It ties the fall of an object on Earth to the motion of stars billions of light-years away. Understanding gravity changes how you see the universe. It reminds us that we are not separate from the cosmos. We are part of the same system, governed by the same laws, moving through the same curved fabric of space and time. If this exploration helped you understand gravity more clearly, share your thoughts in the comments. And for more calm, thoughtful, and deeply human explorations of science, technology, and the universe, subscribe to Cognara. I'm Michael, your science and technology educator. And I'll see you again, here on the Cognara YouTube channel.